try to compose myself. We stand here today at the precipice of a grand new adventure, one that promises great joys and unique challenges. Our meeting was anything but conventional, and our journey has had its streams to cross and its valleys to summit. Despite these early hurdles, I knew I had found the woman I would always choose first when you told me you were in it till we decided together to quit. From that day on, quit was not a word in my vocabulary. I knew then that I would climb any mountain before me to be the man that you deserve.
My dearest Matthew, surrounded by these beautiful mountains hand in hand, my heart overflows with gratitude for the journey that has led us to this incredible moment. With each passing year we've spent together, my love for you has continued to deepen, a testament to the extraordinary person that you are. Your kindness and gentle heart have been a sanctuary for me. You stood unwaveringly by my side through some of the most difficult times, constantly reminding me that your love and commitment will always be there, and that the love we have is worth any temporary struggle. Matthew, from the moment we met, you've made me feel cherished. Your unwavering love and appreciation remind me every day that I'm wanted and beautiful.
You have shown me what strength looks like, how humility feels, and how grace heals. You are not just the woman of my dreams. You are the partner my heart has always longed to find. Much like iron sharpens iron, I know that we will hone each other to our finest edge.
Your unwavering commitment has been an anchor in our family. As we continue to weave this tapestry of family, threaded with moments both trying and tender, I promise to stand by you, to support you, and to create a future filled with the same love and dedication that you've shown. As your wife, I offer you my hand, my heart, and my eternal love now and forever.